So under this unit, we are going to discuss about what are the modes of heat transfer. Heat transfer means how many from one point to another point the heat will be transferred three modes only. Okay. So first one is conduction mode, second one is convection mode, and the third one is radiation. Okay. How the heat energy will be transferred from one place to another place, and thereafter how the heat energy will be transferred from in solids and liquids. How it will be happen, and what is the characteristic of good conductor and bad conductor. Okay. So not all the materials will conduct the heat energy or transfer the classification between the good conductor and bad conductor. We have two methods to determine the good conductor and the bad conductor universal laws. So first one is the least distance method, and the second one is force method. So force method is to determine what is the good conductor, and the least distance method which is used to determine what is bad conductor. Okay. So by using these two kind of methods, we are determining the different kind of materials and what is the difference between these two methods also. Okay. Thereafter, how the heat will be transferred in conduction mode, conduction mode and the parallel mode. These two modes we are going to discuss. And thereafter, geothermal power. Okay. How we are storing it? Different kind of energy storage techniques are available. We are storing the thermal energy in different way. So one of the way that is called as a geothermal power. So how it will be working? What is the basics of geothermal, and where it will be used? These kind of things. So these all kind of things we are going to discuss under the unit of thermal physics. Okay. So next we are going to classify what are the modes of heat transfer. So there are three common modes are available. So first one is conduction process. Conduction process. For an example, you are going to heat a metal bar. Okay. What will be happen? The heat it will be transferred from the hot end to cold end without actual motion of particles. If you are heating a element or metal bar, any kind of particle is moving in the particular metal bar? No. Simply the heat only it will be transferred. We don't know whether what will be happen in the particular metal bar. But in our normal eyes we can't see anything. Simply the heat it will be transferred from hot end to cold end. That means the heat energy will be transferred from one place to another place without actual motion of the particles. Okay. But in the case of liquid, for example, you are going to boil a water. What will be happen? The molecules from the lower bottom to upper bottom it will be circulating. That means the heat energy will be transferred from bottom to top and top to bottom with the actual motion of the particles. So the heat energy will be transferred from one place to another place with actual motion of particles. That is called as a convection process. Okay. And third one is a radiation process. Suppose you are going to boil a water with the help of a micro oven or otherwise any oven. Okay. What will be happen? Is there any fire it will be happen there, or any electricity will be lost there? Simply the instrument it will be heated. Thereafter the heat it will be transferred to cook that material or heat that element. That means the heat radiation which is used to heat that particular element or material or cook material whatever may. Okay. For an example, you are going outside means sun rays will affect our body. Okay. That means our sun rays, you are exposed to a sun rays. That means they directly sun heat energy not transferred through on our skin. Simply the heat rays only will be transferred. Okay. So that is called as a radiation process. Okay. Directly we can't see any kind of particles moving or any kind of material is moving. Simply the radiation only will be transferred. By using the radiation, the element or material will be heated. Okay. So these are the three kind of heat transfer modes are available. Okay.